Welcome to my channel Tough to Easy.
Preposition of place. On. The book is on the table. In. The keys are in the bag. Under. The cat is under the table. Over. The cat jumped over the wall. Between. The owl hid between two boxes. Among. The dog is among the boxes. Next to. The lamp is next to the sofa. Behind. The owl is behind the box. Far. The owl is far from the box. Above. The painting is above the sofa. Below. The cat is below the window. Beside. The girl is beside the box. Near. The school is near my house. Inside. The cake is inside the oven. Outside. The dog is outside the house. At. He is at the bus stop. In front of. The ball is in front of the box. Through. The lion went through the ring. Across. He swam across the lake. Along. She walked along the road. Around. They sat around the fire. Far from. The school is far from my house.